Get ready to dive into the enchanting realm of the United Kingdom, a land brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. As we venture deeper into the heart of the UK, we'll uncover the secrets to planning the perfect getaway. Our first stop takes us to the vibrant heart of England, London. This iconic city seamlessly blends historical grandeur with modern dynamism. No trip to London is complete without a visit to the Tower of London, a historic fortress that has witnessed centuries of royal intrigue and drama. For a taste of royal life, head to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. Next, we journey north to Scotland's captivating capital, Edinburgh. Dominating the city skyline is Edinburgh Castle, perched atop an extinct volcano. For breathtaking views over the city, climb Calton Hill, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our UK adventure takes us across the Irish Sea to Belfast, the dynamic capital of Northern Ireland. Begin your Belfast journey at Titanic Belfast, an immersive museum experience that tells the story of the world's most famous ship. Beyond its maritime heritage, Belfast is a city brimming with culture and creativity. For a glimpse into Belfast's complex past, take a black taxi tour. And no trip to Belfast is complete without venturing beyond the city to explore the stunning Causeway coastal route. As we delve deeper into the heart of these incredible cities, let's not forget to tantalize our taste buds. Each city offers a unique culinary landscape, from traditional British fare to international flavors. In London, grab a classic fish and chips from a local chippy, or indulge in a traditional afternoon tea. Edinburgh is a haven for foodies, with a thriving culinary scene that celebrates fresh, local produce. Belfast's culinary scene is experiencing a renaissance, with a focus on fresh, local ingredients and innovative dishes. Let's swap the urban buzz for the tranquil beauty of the Cotswolds, a region in south-central England characterized by rolling hills, honey-colored stone cottages, and idyllic villages. Start your Cotswolds adventure in the picturesque village of Bourton-on-the-Water, often referred to as the Venice of the Cotswolds. For a taste of Cotswolds grandeur, visit Blenheim Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Prepare to be awestruck by the raw beauty of the Scottish Highlands, a land of rugged mountains, shimmering lochs, and ancient myths. Begin your Highland adventure in Fort William, known as the outdoor capital of the UK. Next, journey to the shores of Loch Ness, home to the legendary Nessie. For a taste of Highland culture, visit the Isle of Skye, connected to the mainland by bridge. As you traverse the Highlands, be sure to keep an ear out for the sound of bagpipes, a poignant reminder of Scotland's rich heritage. Next, we venture to the Lake District, a region in northwest England that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. Start your Lake District adventure in Windermere, the largest natural lake in England. For a literary pilgrimage, visit Dove Cottage, the former home of William Wordsworth. For those seeking a challenge, hike to the summit of Scafell Pike, the highest peak in England. As you explore the Lake District, take the time to soak up the tranquility of your surroundings. As we conclude our journey through the UK's captivating countryside, let's reflect on the essence of these destinations. Beyond the iconic landmarks and breathtaking scenery, it's the slower pace of life, the warm hospitality, and the connection to nature that make these regions truly special. From rolling hills and serene lakes, we journey now to the dramatic coastlines of the UK, starting with Cornwall, England's rugged southwestern tip. Our first stop is St. Ives, a picturesque town renowned for its vibrant art scene and stunning coastal views. Next, we'll explore Land's End, the most westerly point of mainland England. For a taste of Cornwall's rich history and connections to King Arthur, head to Tintagel Castle. And as you explore the Cornish coast, keep an eye out for hidden coves, secluded beaches, and charming fishing villages. Next, we'll travel east to Brighton, a vibrant seaside city on England's south coast. renowned for its quirky charm, lively nightlife, and iconic pier. Just a short train ride from London, Brighton offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of the capital. Start your Brighton adventure at the Royal Pavilion, a whimsical palace built in the Indo-Saracenic style, reflecting the city's eclectic spirit. Step inside to discover opulent interiors, exotic gardens, and a fascinating history. Afterwards, take a stroll along Brighton Palace Pier, a Victorian-era pier offering traditional amusements, carnival games, and stunning sea views. For a taste of Brighton's bohemian side, explore the North Lane, a labyrinthine network of streets filled with independent shops, vintage boutiques, and quirky cafes. Discover unique souvenirs, vintage finds, and locally made crafts. And be sure to stop by Chachi Wachaduda, a chocolate shop extraordinaire, where you can indulge in decadent treats and marvel at their chocolate creations. And no trip to Brighton is complete without a visit to the beach. Relax on the pebbled shore, take a dip in the sea, if you're brave enough, or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere. And as the sun sets, head to one of Brighton's many pubs or bars to experience the city's legendary nightlife. Our coastal journey takes us back to Scotland, this time to the Isle of Skye, known for its dramatic landscapes, rugged mountains, and enchanting lochs. Connected to the mainland by bridge, Skye offers a true taste of Scotland's wild beauty. Our first stop is Portree, the island's largest town and a hub for exploring Skye's many wonders. Stroll along its picturesque harbor, lined with colorful houses, and enjoy fresh seafood at a local restaurant. From Portree, embark on a scenic drive along the Quiraing, a breathtaking road that winds its way through towering cliffs, hidden plateaus, and stunning coastal views. Next, venture to the Old Man of Storr, an iconic rock formation that dominates the Trotternish Ridge. Hike to the base of the Storr for stunning views of the surrounding landscapes, including the Sound of Rothesay and the Scottish mainland. And for a taste of Skye's mystical side, visit the Fairy Pools, a series of cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear pools said to be enchanted by fairies. No trip to Skye is complete without a visit to Dunvegan Castle, perched on a dramatic clifftop overlooking Loch Dunvegan. Explore the castle's rich history, dating back centuries, and wander through its beautiful gardens. And as you explore Skye, keep an eye out for Highland cows, with their long horns and shaggy coats, roaming freely across the island's rugged terrain. As we conclude our exploration of the UK's captivating coastlines, let's reflect on the diversity and allure of these destinations. From the rugged beauty of Cornwall to the quirky charm of Brighton and the dramatic landscapes of Skye, the UK's coast offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of history and culture, the coast provides the perfect backdrop. Enjoy long walks along sandy beaches, explore hidden coves and dramatic cliffs, or simply relax in a charming seaside town, savoring fresh seafood and the salty air. Embrace the opportunity to try new activities, whether it's surfing in Cornwall, paddleboarding in Brighton, or kayaking in Skye. And as you explore, take the time to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds you, from the crashing waves and the cry of seagulls to the rugged cliffs and the vast expanse of the ocean. Now, let's venture off the beaten path to uncover some of the UK's hidden gems. Starting with Yorkshire, a county in northern England often referred to as God's own country. With its rolling hills, dramatic coastline, and historic cities, Yorkshire offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. Our first stop is York, a city steeped in history, boasting Roman roots and a magnificent medieval cathedral, York Minster. Step back in time as you wander through its cobbled streets, lined with charming shops and traditional pubs. Visit the Jorvik Viking Center to experience life as a Viking, or climb the ancient city walls for panoramic views. Next, we'll explore the Yorkshire Dales, a national park characterized by rolling hills, dry stone walls, and picturesque villages. Hike through stunning valleys, discover hidden waterfalls, and enjoy traditional afternoon tea in a cozy tea room. And for a taste of Yorkshire's literary heritage, visit Haworth, the home of the Bronte sisters, authors of classic novels like Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. For those seeking coastal adventures, head to the Yorkshire coast, where dramatic cliffs meet sandy beaches. Visit Whitby, a charming fishing town with connections to Bram Stoker's Dracula, or explore Robin Hood's Bay, a picturesque village nestled in a secluded cove. And as you explore Yorkshire, be sure to sample the local delicacy, a traditional Yorkshire pudding best enjoyed with a hearty roast dinner. Our next hidden gem takes us back to Northern Ireland, to the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site shrouded in myth and legend. Located on the rugged Antrim coast, this natural wonder features over 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Legend has it that the causeway was built by the giant Finn McCool as a pathway to Scotland to fight a rival giant. Whether you believe the myths or not, the Giant's Causeway is a truly awe-inspiring sight. Take a walk along the causeway, marvel at the unique hexagonal columns, and let your imagination run wild with stories of giants and mythical creatures. After exploring the causeway, take a scenic drive along the Causeway Coastal Route, one of the world's most scenic drives. Hugging the rugged coastline, this route offers breathtaking views of dramatic cliffs, secluded beaches, and charming fishing villages. Stop at Dunluce Castle, a ruined medieval castle perched precariously on a cliff edge, or visit the Carrick a Reed rope bridge, a thrilling rope bridge linking the mainland to a tiny island. And as you explore the Antrim coast, be sure to keep an eye out for wildlife, including seabirds, seals, and even dolphins. The Giant's Causeway and the surrounding coastline offer a unique blend of natural wonder, myth, and adventure, making it a must-visit destination in the UK. Our final hidden gem takes us to Wales, to Snowdonia National Park, a land of towering mountains, shimmering lakes, and cascading waterfalls. Located in northwest Wales, Snowdonia offers a true taste of Wales' wild beauty. At the heart of the park lies Mount Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales and England. Challenge yourself with a hike to the summit, following one of the many well-marked trails. The ascent is challenging but rewarding, offering panoramic views of the surrounding peaks, valleys, and coastline. And for those who prefer a more leisurely pace, there's a mountain railway that will whisk you to the summit in style. After conquering Snowdon, explore the park's many other wonders. Visit Swallow Falls, a series of cascading waterfalls plunging into a wooded gorge, or take a scenic drive through the Llanberis Pass, a dramatic mountain pass carved by glaciers. And for a taste of Welsh culture, visit Caernarfon Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most impressive medieval castles in Wales. As you explore Snowdonia, be sure to keep an eye out for wildlife, including wild horses, mountain goats, and rare birds. And don't forget to sample some traditional Welsh cuisine such as cawl, a hearty lamb stew, or bara brith, a sweetbread with dried fruits. Snowdonia offers a unique blend of adventure, natural beauty, and cultural immersion, making it a truly unforgettable destination. As we conclude our virtual tour of the UK, from its iconic cities to its hidden gems, remember that the true magic of travel lies in embracing the unexpected. Don't be afraid to deviate from the well-trodden path, to strike up conversations with locals, and to say yes to spontaneous adventures. Whether you find yourself sipping tea in a Cotswolds garden, hiking through the rugged Scottish Highlands, or marveling at the Giant's Causeway, allow yourself to be present in each moment. Soak up the atmosphere, savor the flavors, and connect with the people and places that make the UK so unique. Remember that the UK is a land of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern innovation, where bustling cities give way to tranquil countryside, and where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Embrace the unexpected detours, the serendipitous encounters, and the memories that will stay with you long after you've returned home. And as you plan your own UK adventure, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the opportunity to connect with the local culture, to try new things, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, a foodie, or simply seeking a change of scenery, the UK has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip today and discover the magic of the United Kingdom for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring travel tips, destination guides, and hidden gem discoveries. We'll continue to explore the world, one adventure at a time, and we can't wait to share our discoveries with you. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the United Kingdom. We hope we've inspired you to plan your own unforgettable adventure. Until next time, happy travels!